guys, Katrina here from Mastermind Toys, and today we're making slime. So we've got the Nickelodeon Super Slime Studio here, which is awesome because you can make all different types of slime, like sequins, or crunchy, or glitter, or even foam slime, which is what we're gonna make today. And it comes with this awesome mixer as well to help you mix it all up. So what I've done here is I've measured out our 15 milliliters of white glue in there. So now we just need to add our water and then our colors. I think I'm gonna do blue. Get a spoonful of that in there. And then, get that off of there. And then our foam for our foamy slime. Just gonna mix that up a little bit. And then we'll put our foam balls in. Probably nothing here. And then put the lid back on. Give it a good mix up in there until you start to see the color everywhere. There we go. And then the last ingredient is our activator, 5 milliliters of activator. Pour it in the top there, make sure it gets in, and mix it up. And then you can see it start to gel around the little mixer there. And then you just gotta keep mixing until it gets to the consistency that you like it. And then eventually, once you take it out, you end up with foamy slime like this. And it's gooey and gross and slimy and awesome. Thanks for watching.